Hi, my name is Vikas Anand. I am the Vice President of Climate Solutions Sales Organization in North America. North America is one of the most important growth regions for climate solutions. We're seeing a strong demand from investments in artificial intelligence, decarbonization, electrification, and overall demand, I would say, in sustainable solutions. And we are investing heavily into that. One of the great examples of that is our multi-million-dollar investment in manufacturing facility in Monterrey. The objective is to be more closer to the customers, increase our capacity, and everything we do revolves around our customers. We want to be a long-term partner, we want to be a reliable partner for our customers, we want to solve complex problems, and we also want to provide local technical expertise. So we're all excited about the future for climate solutions in North America. Through continued investments in the region, we continue to see greater opportunities for climate solutions. And we are really looking forward to a sustainable and a reliable future for us and for our partners in the future. Thank you.